Hey guys, this is John Deere. Well, this is 200 DLC, and matter of fact, I just got an order in. I got home from school, and it was here, so I'll show you guys this. It's a John Deere 200 DLC. There it is. Take this out of its box. You go get it out. Well, matter of fact, I unboxed it already, but my camera died, so I needed to use a new one. So just pull that out. Well, the John Deere 200 DLC, great model. 5-forked, and it raises, I think, about 12 inches, but I'm not sure yet. Well, that and hydraulic lines, engine compartment, reveals the engine. You can see there, and rear view mirrors, right here, right there, and metal track, good on not on like wood, but like a coated wood, but it's good on like carpet or dirt. Good for a diorama. Stop motion, I meant. Sorry. I like this model. I have it. Well, my videos on my not carpet, mattress. So they really roll good on this. So yeah, it's great to have. And that's like mostly everything